Okay, this is a question for Wednesday for all classes. And it reads, the table given tells us about 4 types of fish. These fish all have mouth structures. And so we're going to be talking about the mouth structures that allow them to eat different types of food. The pictures are not important in this deal, so they're not good quality, but they're not important either. Or I would have made sure that they were there. Typically, it is going to be the information that you're going to rely on, unless it's an experiment. Parrotfish. It describes it as having jaws that are strong, parrot-like beak, grinding plates inside the mouth. So grinding, if you remember correctly, is 2 hard things rubbing against each other to grind things into dust. That's how we make flour. That's how we make cornmeal and various things. And that's how we chew with our back molars, and cows chew on different things. So it's a type of way that we can chew. And they have hard grinding plates in the back of their mouth. Koi have a soft mouth with no teeth. Okay, and the mouth is located on the underside of their head. The goby has a small mouth, and the lower jaw extends out further than the upper jaw, so it looks like they have buck teeth. And then the seahorse says that it has a small mouth and is located on the end of a long tube-like snout. So our parrotfish, strong beak, grinding; koi, soft, no teeth, underside of head; goby, small, extends out further than upper jaw; and seahorse, small, end of long tube-like snout. So that's our descriptors that tell us about those mouths. So now let's look at our question. Which of these fish mouth structures will allow it to eat algae by taking large bites of hard coral where the algae grows? And so our 2 key words here are large and hard. So we have to make sure when we're talking about their mouths that they're going to be eating the algae with, that they can handle large and hard. Okay, now we could go down here and X these off, but we're going to go up and actually use these up here. So, will this handle large? It doesn't say anything about the size, so we're going to put a question mark as to whether it can handle large. And can it handle hard? So yes, it has strong beak-like teeth, so it will be able to handle hard. Okay. Up here on koi, it doesn't say whether or not it's a large or small mouth. You might be able to look at this picture right here and say that it has a large mouth and that it would be able to handle the large part of it. So you could either put a question mark or a check there. And this is hard coral. Can it handle hard coral? No, it can't because it has a soft mouth. So koi will not be an option. So this is large, hard, large, hard. Okay. And then goby, will it be able to handle large? Well, no, it won't because it says it has a small mouth. So it will not be able to handle the concept of having a large bite. So goby is out. And then for the seahorse, we're going to look at large again. Same thing. It has a small mouth, so it's already X'd out for large. So seahorse is not the answer, which leaves us with parrotfish. Parrotfish is the only one that can handle large and hard while it is eating algae. So F is our answer. And this is why. Okay?